The next one is the work table. This is our new product. We use our well shelf product to make a work table. It's very useful, and we mainly recommend this one. This one with a wood top and a slide shelf in the middle, and there is a strengthened frame at the bottom. So the size for this item is 91 by 46. The height is 80, and the shelf the shelf is also no tools for assembly. No tools for assembly. It's KD packing. And the wooden top is a round frame. It's a round frame. And the to introduce office file card printing machine card. This one is small one. It's 2 layers, small one. And these 2 items now already hot sale on Amazon.com and Walmart.com. And we can and this black color is also the hottest color by our clients. But we can produce other colors. If you want, we can make customization for our clients. The size for this small one is 41 by 31. Height is 43, including the wheels. And the big one is 56 by 46. The height is 76 with wheels. And it has 2 wide shelves at the bottom. And the shelf space is also freely is also adjustable. And the loading weight for this item is 40 kilo a layer. Let's make a loading test. So each box 10 kilo. 3. Okay. So now it's 40 kilo. So you see that its loading weight is strong enough.